In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap Watchlist strategically. To start using the CoinMarketCap Watchlist, go to the CoinMarketCap website. On the main page, you will see the cryptocurrencies section with a ranked list of assets. The page displays information such as price, 24-hour change, 7-day change, market cap, and volume. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific cryptocurrency. Choose a coin or token you want to track and click on its name to open the project page. On the cryptocurrency page, review the available information, including the price chart, market cap, fully diluted valuation, circulating supply, official links, community links, and contract information. To add the asset to your watch list, locate the star icon near the project name and ticker symbol. Click the star icon to add the cryptocurrency to your watch list. When the star icon is filled, the asset has been added successfully. If a watchlist link or prompt appears, you can use it to access your watchlist. To manage your saved cryptocurrencies, go to the top navigation bar and select Watchlist. The Watchlist page will display the coins and tokens you have added. You will see information such as price, 24-hour change, 7-day change, market cap, and volume. You can sort your watchlist by selecting different columns. Use the available sorting options to view assets based on their performance or market information. To remove an asset from your watchlist, open the cryptocurrency page and click the star icon again to unselect it. You can add more cryptocurrencies by using the search bar at the top, opening each asset page and selecting the star icon. When organizing your watchlist, keep the number of tracked assets focused. Add the cryptocurrencies you want to monitor and review regularly. During periods of high market movement, sort the watchlist by 24-hour change. For longer-term review, use the 7-day change or market cap columns. If you are monitoring specific projects, open the cryptocurrency page from your watchlist to review available information, updates, and links. The process is simple. Browse the cryptocurrency list, open a project page, select the star icon, and manage your saved assets from the watchlist section. Keep your browser data available to maintain your watchlist selections. You can continue adding and reviewing cryptocurrencies directly from your CoinMarketCap watchlist. Thank you for watching.